Hello everyone, this is the course of Python for Data Science. This is the first lecture of the Python for Data Science course, aims to provide an overview of Python and its relevance in the field of data science. So participants will gain a foundational understanding of Python syntax, key libraries and its significance in handling and analyzing data. So let's see what's our agenda is. We will know the brief history and evolution of Python, Python's popularity in the entire data science community, and the installation part. We will installing and setting up Python with Anaconda distribution. And then we will move to the Python basics like syntax overview, like variables, data types, and basic operations. And then if else statements, various loops, functions, map, filter, reduce, and then the two most important libraries like NumPy and Pandas, various operations on NumPy arrays. And then we will dealing with getting and cleaning data like web scraping, API call, etc. And data visualization part we will dealing with data handling and cleaning, sanity checks, outliers analysis with box plots, histograms, and the data visualization with Seaborn also, like distribution plot, styling plot, pie chart, bar chart, pair plot, heat map, line chart, and many more things. So I hope participants will enjoy the entire course of Python basics and gain a thorough understanding of Python to the entire course. Thank you guys.